WhatsApp has introduced a new feature called Group Voice Chat, making it easier than ever to have live, real-time conversations right inside your group chats, without ringing everyone or leaving the conversation. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now go to the group chat where you'd like to start the voice chat. Swipe up from the bottom of the chat screen until the "Swipe up to talk" option appears. Keep swiping until the connect button appears, then lift your finger. Review the feature details, then tap Start to begin. A voice chat banner will appear at the bottom of the group chat, indicating that the room is now active. When a voice chat begins, other group members receive a silent push notification, informing them that the chat is live and inviting them to join. If you tap Send Wave, a message will be sent to the group saying, "You want to talk." When they open the conversation, they will see the same banner you see, and all they have to do is tap Join to enter the conversation. Once you or others join, you can see who's in the voice chat, send messages, stickers, photos, or videos while talking, mute or unmute your mic, and use other chats or apps. The voice chat stays active in the background. If someone leaves the voice chat, it will stay live as long as at least one person is still connected. To leave the chat yourself, simply tap the red X button. This feature lets you enjoy hands-free group conversations without interrupting your chats or apps, keeping you connected in the background. So that's how you can use voice chats in WhatsApp group chats.